बस 10th क्लास डेमोक्रेटिक पॉलिटिक्स का थर्ड चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर। डिस्कस थ्री फैक्टर्स दैट डिटरमाइन द आउटकम ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ सोशल डिविजन्स। आंसर इसका three factors which determine the outcome of politics of social divisions. First, the people's perception of their identities. When this is a singular, the accommodation of other identities becomes difficult. Second, representation of a community by political leaders. While representing a community, if a politician raise demands that are constitutional, then it is easier to accommodate those demands. Third, the government's reaction. If the reasonable demands of a community are suppressed by the government, then it leads to social divisions, which in turn threaten the integrity of the country. Question second, when does a social difference politics give two example? Answer second, the social division takes place when some social difference overlaps with other differences. Situation of the kind when one kind social difference becomes more important than the other and people start feeling that they belong to different communities, gives rise to the social divisions. For example, the difference between the blacks and whites becomes a social division in the US because the black tend to be poor, homeless, and discriminated against. In India, Dalit tend to be poor and landless. They often face discrimination and injustice. Question third, how do social division affect politics? Give two example. वो सेकंड था, व्हेन डज ए सोशल डिफरेंस बिकम ए सोशल डिवीजन, वो सेकंड का आंसर था। अब थर्ड है, हाउ डू सोशल डिवीजन इफेक्ट पॉलिटिक्स? गिव टू एग्जाम्पल। थर्ड, डेमोक्रेसी इन्वॉल्व competition among various political parties. If these political parties use this competition in support of some social division, it can lead to political division. This can lead to conflict, violence, or even disintegration of a country. This has happened in many countries. First example is First example is of Northern Ireland, where religious division led to ethno-political conflict to major sect of Christianity. Protestant 53% and Roman Catholic 44 Roman Catholic 44% 44% are represent in the country. The Catholics were represented by nationalist parties who demanded that Northern Ireland be unified with the represent Republic Republic of Ireland, a predominantly Catholic country. The Protestants were represented by Unionists who wanted to remain with the UK, which is predominantly Protestant. The fight between nationalists and unionists led to social conflict where hundreds of civilians died. Second, another example is of Yugoslavia, where political competition along religious and ethnic lines led to the disintegration of Yugoslavia into 6 independent countries. क्वेश्चन 4 में फिलअप में आएगा, ओवरलैपिंग सोशल डिफरेंसेस क्रिएट पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ डीप सोशल डिवीजन एंड टेंशंस. क्रॉस कटिंग social differences do not usually lead to conflicts. Question 5th. In dealing with social division, which one of the following statements is not correct about democracy? Due to political competition in a democracy, social division get reflect in politics. Wrong. In a democracy, it is possible for communities to voice their grievance in a peaceful manner. Wrong. Democracy is the best way to accommodate social diversity. Wrong. Democracy always lead of disintegration of society on the basis of social division. ये right. B. Consider the following 3 statements. Social division take place when social difference overlap. B. It is possible that a person can have multiple identities. C. Social division exists in only big countries like India. Which of the statements are correct? तो A and B, यानी इसमें B करेक्ट है और B करेक्ट का मतलब है A और B करेक्ट है. सोशल डिवीजन टेक प्लेस व्हेन सोशल डिफरेंस ओवरलैप. इट इज़ पॉसिबल दैट ए पर्सन कैन हैव मल्टीपल आइडेंटिटीज. क्वेश्चन 7. अरेंज द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इन ए लॉजिकल सीक्वेंस and select the right answers by using the code given below. First, A. What all political expression of social division need not be always dangerous. Social division of one kind or the other exists in most countries. Parties try to win political support by appealing to social division. Some social difference may result in social division. तो DVCA ये क्रम सही है. सम सोशल डिफरेंसेस मे रिजल्ट इन सोशल डिवीजन. फिर आएगा बी कि सोशल डिवीजन ऑफ वन काइंड और द अदर एक्सिस्ट इन मोस्ट कंट्रीज. फिर सी आएगा पार्टीज ट्राई टू विन पॉलिटिकल सपोर्ट बाय अपीलिंग टू सोशल डिवीजन. और फिर आएगा व्हाट ऑल पॉलिटिकल एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ सोशल डिवीजन्स नीड नॉट बी ऑलवेज डेंजरस. Question 6. Among the following, which country suffered disintegration due to political rights on the basis of religious and ethnic identities? इसमें सी सही है, यूगोस्लाविया. Read the following passage from a famous speech by Martin Luther King Jr. in 1963. Which social division is he talking about? What are his aspirations and anxieties do you see in relationship between this speech and the incident in Moscow Olympic mentioned in this chapter? So I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by a color of their skin but by the content of their character. Let freedom ring, and when this happens, and when we allow freedom ring, when we let it ring from every village and every hamlet, for every state and every city, we will be able to speed up that day when all of God's children, black men and white men, Jew and Gentiles, Protestant and Catholic, will be able to join hands and sing in the words of the old Negro spiritual, free at last, thank God Almighty, we are free at last. I have a dream that one day this nation will you rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. इसका आंसर होगा 9th का. मार्टिन लूथर किंग जार it talking about the racial discrimination that exists in America. Blacks in America were discriminated by whites and were not given all the rights that the whites enjoy. This was reason for the social division between the two communities. Martin Luther aspired to create a society where people of all castes and colors would live together peacefully, where everyone would enjoy equal rights, and where people are not judged on the basis of their skin color. Yes, there is a relationship between his speech and the incident at the Mexico Olympics, as both reflect a stand against the plight of the African American people. Finish.